All in the high grass is why I didn't see them. Yeah, two of them. They're twins. Look at what we have here. Yeah. We got a couple of nice crimsons down there. And their tendrils are still green, so that means they're still growing. And so we're going to let them do what they do. And so because of the stripes that are on here, I know that this is a crimson. This is a crimson the way it's growing. But this up here is a sugar baby. So that's the sugar baby. Yeah. Okay. And I also found a couple of more rattlesnakes today. Look at what we have here. Yeah. We got a couple of rattlesnakes. Where's that other one at? Where you go, booty? Where are you? There you go. And look at what we have here. Yeah. We got some more rattlesnakes on the vine. Yeah, we got rattlesnakes on the vine. So, we have done some fertilizing today with some of our horse manure compost, a mixture of our other granulated fertilizers, and we have watered them in great. And yeah, I just wanted to see if there was any more rattlesnakes on the vine.